Lyrebirds live in temperate, often wet woodland in the coastal southeast of Australia. They're clumsy flyers and spend most of their time on the ground. Both the males and the females are a reddish-brown and have powerful legs with long toes, ideal for raking over the leaf litter and soil looking for food. As mating season approaches during the winter months, the male reveals his amazing talents. 71-centimetre long feathers fan out from his tail, which he drapes over his head in a waterfall formation. 12 silvery fluffy feathers, bookended by 2 thick banded feathers called lyrates and 2 long slender median feathers, make for a show-stopping performance. And if that isn't enough to thrill the ladies, his song is one of the most extraordinary of any creature on the planet. The purpose of having such an amazing talent for impersonation is unknown, but it's thought that the more complex a song the male can produce, the more attractive he is to females.